Look at this vertical growing of vegetables. Yeah. Hello. They do furnitures.
Furnitures, aluminum windows and doors, interior wooden door, kitchen cabinets, closets, staircase and railing.
Solar. Okay. So you do carpets and flooring too? Okay. Okay, so like soaps and so dispensers.
Hand soap dispensers, yes. We have toilet paper dispenser.
Yeah. Morning.
Planning that transforms the idea into today's outstanding event.
This is the Montego Bay Convention Center here in Montego Bay, Jamaica, and we're going to attend the Recover and Rebuild Expo 2026. It is finally here. Look at this lovely entry way here at the convention center. We're going to turn right, we're going to turn left, and we can see the feather banners here telling us we're in the right place. This is going to be a big one. So this expo is organized to bring homeowners, contractors, financial institutions, a wide array of personnels, agencies to, it's like a response to the hurricane that has devastated Western Jamaica. Let's see if we can find the parking spot here. This is a very big complex. All right, think we're going the right direction. We're gonna have a park and enter the expo. All right, so this is the entryway to head inside the Montego Bay Convention Center. Yeah man, Montego Bay welcomes something like this, you know, bringing everybody together so that we can rebuild stronger after the devastation. There are a lot of questions, a lot of concerns about how we'll go forward. I guess this is where we brainstorm the solution. Alright, let's go. Look at this vertical growing of vegetables. Yeah. So this is Iswatec. This is the Iswatec booth showing you how to do your vertical farming.
Remember to tag us?
Yes. Sustainable living. The video inside here, so nice. Iswatec.
Table is very nice. It's not a like you have the space on the table, go with the table. We do have the table from 120. A table is 100.
Hello. This is Prima Industry Company Limited. Hello. They do furnitures.
Furnitures, aluminum windows and doors, interior wooden door, kitchen cabinets, closets, staircase and railing.
Solar panel.
Nice.
It's a regular
Fan.
light bulb with a fan. You can come on there and feel it.
They're going circle and come back. Thanks. So this is White Rose Interior Limited. Morning.
Good morning.
So you do carpets and flooring too? Okay. Nice, nice. White Rose Interior. Morning. Hi. Just checking out your booth. Earl's Fashion. Anything on sale today for me? Medium? Cheap, under $3,000? These clothes look nice though. And cool. Getting some image of your nice products here.
Sure.
Okay, so like soaps and so dispensers.
Hand soap dispensers, yes. We have toilet paper dispenser.
Yes.
We have paper dispenser. And we have the air fresheners as well. There's one right here right now. That fragrance that you're getting.
Yeah, I smell it.
Yes.
It's
So
nice.
We have a wide range of things. We have the baby bin as well.
Yes.
Sanitary bin. So we take care of all the hygiene and pest control.
Rent to kill initial.
That's correct.
Air fresheners, etc.
So this one outline all the pest control that we take care of.
Okay.
And this highlights what we do in the hygiene region as well.
Thanks much.
Thank you very much, Mr.
I'll be back.
No problem.
Alright. Ambulance, life call. Morning. Respect. Oh, me and pull me a circle back, man. A circle and come back. Lifeline. Alright. Hello. Any promotion today? Credit. Yes. Free credit. Niche financing.
Very insightful presentation. Very timely. And it is clear that the government is taking intentional and this might be some of the Neil. She's the first Vice President of the Montego Chamber of Commerce and Industrial. Her job this morning is
National Housing Trust.
Maker.
Home builder's journey. This is where you go to get your home. We're going to be making more presentations here.
Good morning, everyone. Please allow me to stand up.
Roof repair specialist.
In this room, I'm going to ask you to stand.
This is hard trust.
Are you ready to showcase your best for this Rebuild Jamaica Expo 2026? I'm not hearing you. All right, be seated. If you're a part of the Montego Chamber of Commerce team and the Build Expo team, please stand. If you're a member of the chamber, please stand. Are you ready to showcase our best in this expo? And I'm hearing you. All right. I want to take the time to acknowledge our immediate past president, Mr. Oral Heffer.
What my profit margins go look like now? When I put in everything, all my inputs and everything.
Because like this has 80 holes. You know, in December, last December, lettuce went to $1,000 a pound.
Yes.
Right? Now if you plant 80 of these,
Yes.
how much pounds that?
80,000.
Yeah.
Alright. Now come back to me 20% off.
Hold on.
And challenged us all to think boldly about rebuilding a stronger and more resilient Jamaica. We also express sincere thanks to His Worship the Mayor of Montego Bay, Councillor Richard Vernon.
Well, at this time, I'm going to invite you to stand with me. You've been sitting for quite a while, so get some circulations going. We're going to invite the President of the Chamber of Commerce and of course the Chairman of Build Expo to just follow them as they make their way towards the entrance. At this point, we're going to be having the cutting of the ribbon for the first panel discussion, and that will
it's a little unbalanced. Can somebody just take the lead to get some of the sponsors on this side surround? Fix up the picture. Alright, so what's India.
Sorry, so photographers, to make it easier, what we're going to do is we're going to just have everybody lean forward and then everybody just take a picture. Alright? Yeah? There's just too many.
And then when he's ready to cut, for everyone, if he doesn't cut it the first time, he's buying all of us. The president is buying.
No, we're not going to worry. We're not going to make this up. We're going to have one with the pose. We're going to have one with the pose. We're going to have one with the pose and we're going to be cutting it for about 10 seconds. I'll just do a countdown. Yeah, and afterwards, cut, clap, yay, go. Yeah? Yeah? Alright, so...
No, don't come in yet. Don't pose.
Yes, everyone is moving forward. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, cut! Yeah!
we will be getting ready for the panel discussion. Build right first time.
Yeah, man, welcome to Jamaica. The sun has shine so bright and clear. Island Max showing the beauty right here. The white sand beaches, the water so blue. Come feel the culture, it running right through. Amazing people with a smile on them face. The lush green hills in this blessed place. Them show the whole world the land where we love. A gift from the heavens high up above. Island Max showcasing Jamaica. Island Max showcasing Jamaica.
you need to ensure that the concrete that you're using meets the required standard. We are not the regulator. We will come and help you